Your daily life, the phone in your hand, the products you use, even the prices you pay, are quietly influenced by one country. And the real story behind it is far deeper than you think. Watch till the end, because what you're about to understand is not just China's growth, it's a strategy that reshaped the global economy. This is the story of China. Back in 1978, China was not the economic giant you see today. It was isolated, controlled, and struggling to grow under a strict planned system. But then, everything changed. A decision was made, not loud, not dramatic, but powerful enough to shift the future. China opened its doors. Through what became known as the open door policy, markets were allowed to function. Private businesses were encouraged, and foreign investors were invited in. But this wasn't just openness, it was calculated openness. Cities like Shenzhen became testing grounds, places where global companies could enter, build, and expand. And slowly, something started to move. Millions of people left farms and moved into factories. Production increased. Exports exploded. China didn't just join global trade, it began to dominate it. But here's what most people miss. This wasn't driven by markets alone. The government was building a foundation at the same time. Massive infrastructure, roads, ports, railways, designed not just for development, but for speed, efficiency, and global connectivity. At the same time, China invested heavily in education, not just to create workers, but to create a skilled, disciplined workforce. Engineers, technicians, producers. And then came another powerful advantage. China saved. Instead of spending everything, it reinvested. Factories expanded. Technology improved. Industries evolved. From low-cost production to high-value manufacturing. From basic goods to advanced electronics and global exports. This is what makes China different. It didn't choose between government control and free markets. It combined both. A system where the state guides the direction and the market drives the speed. A hybrid model. And the result? One of the fastest economic transformations in modern history. From poverty to power. From isolation to global influence. But here's the deeper question. Was it just cheap labor? Or was it a long-term strategy executed with patience, discipline, and vision? Because what China built was not just an economy. It was a system designed to rise. And today, China is no longer just part of the global economy. It is shaping it. So watch carefully, because when one nation rises this fast, it doesn't just change itself, it changes the balance of the world. And the real question is, who understood this early and who is already too late?